Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in February, I'll let you know that OCR support, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, had made its way back into the Photos app in the Insider program. And that was after Microsoft had disabled the feature to address some issues, and it was rolling out across all Insider channels. Now, just to let you know that if you are using the Photos app, that I did notice today in my region, with the update to the Photos app through the Microsoft Store, that OCR support has now made its way into the stable version of the Photos app, and this is on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the update is rolled out for me on both my Windows devices. So if we just have a look at what's going on here, you can see scan text. If we click on that, there we go. Right click, select all texts, right click again, copy text, and that's now copied that text to my clipboard. And let's just head into our notepad quickly just to kind of show you this in real time if you would be interested. And let's paste that in, and there's the text from the image that was scanned using OCR in the Photos app. So I think this is a nice addition. We have OCR support now in the snipping tool and also in the Photos app. And if we just head back into the main body of the app and we head to our settings, the latest version in bold you need to be on to get OCR support is 2025.11. 030.27002.0, and as mentioned, I received that update today in my part of the world. OCR support, optical character recognition, now available in the Photos app in the stable version of Windows 10 and Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.